So let's look at the second part. Find EX in terms of n. You may use this result here. So you're given this result. Let's say, okay, do this. EX in terms of n. So EX for part 2, we know that expectation of x, EX, right, will just be 1 multiplied by px equals to 1 plus 2px equals, just write it down. Okay, if you can't write it down in symbol notation, just write everything down first, then we'll try and figure out the pattern there. So px equals to n. This is what we have, right? So in other words, what we have here is actually the sum where our r is 1 and we end with n here. Or rather, is it like r, then this would just be px equals to r, correct? So px equals to r, we were told that it follows this form. So px equals to r, okay, px equals to r. If this is r, you just need to sub this as r, right? So this is the r. These are constants, okay? A, n plus 1, and plus 2, these are constants. So we can just write this. If you're not comfortable with r, you can use the x here. It's fine as well. So this is x. And this will become x here. This becomes x, okay? So what I'm going to do is actually just n. X equals to 1. And this is x, 2x over n plus 1. And I'm just going to bring out the constant out. So it's 2n plus 1. X equals to x squared. Okay? So summation of x squared will just be this formula here. We are using this formula. N over 6. So if this is x, then this actually just be the same formula here. So it's n. This will be just 2 over n plus 1. This will just be n over 6, n plus 1 to n plus 1. Okay, so cancel it out. Cancel it out, cancel it out, cancel it out. 1/3. So we left with 1/3 to n plus 1. Right, so that's how we do this part here.